In this video, we are going to discuss the questions and topic based on substitution, means integration by substitution. Now, first, integration of some standard result which we have to cover now, in which first one is tan x. Integration of tan x. It is an identity, but we can integrate tan x using substitution or derivation of this identity as follows. Tan x we can write as sin x upon cos x. If we let cos x equal to t, then differentiation of cos x is minus sin t, means minus sin x. So dt by dx equal to minus sin x. Dx transfer right side and minus in left side. We can write minus dt equal to sin x dx. Means put in place of cos x as t and sin x dx as minus dt. In place of sin x dx minus dt, cos x as t means 1 upon t, which is equal to minus 1 upon t dt. And integration of 1 upon t is log t. Therefore, it is equal to minus log t plus c. Now put the value of t, you will get minus log cos x plus c. It implies integration of tan x is minus log cos x plus a constant c, which is known as constant of integration. This result also we can write as minus log cos x as log sec x plus c. Because formula you know कि minus log x equal to log x power minus 1. And log x power minus 1 we can write as log 1 upon x. It implies minus log cos x we can write as log 1 upon cos x, and log 1 upon cos x means log sec x. Therefore, final result we can write as integration of tan x equal to minus log cos x plus c or log sec x plus c. As per requirement, we can use this identity as integration of tan x. Now same process, next formula, integration of cot x. Also we can integrate cot x with the help of substitution or substitution method. Integration of cot x means we can write cot x as cos x upon sin x and let denominator means sin x as t. If t equal to sin x, then dt by dx means differentiate, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Implies dt equal to cos x dx. It implies in place of cos x dx write down dt, and upon sin x means 1 upon t. In place of sin x as t. Integration of 1 upon t is log t. So therefore 1 upon t dt equal to log t plus c. Put the value of t as sin x, so log sin x plus c. Hence integration of cot x we can write as log sin x plus c. Now next integration of cosec x. I equal to cosec x dx. Here we can multiply the numerator and denominator by cosec x minus cot x. Purpose of this multiplication to convert the question in substitution form, so that we can by substitution integrate it. If let cosec x minus cot x as t in this situation, so dt by dx equal to integration of differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, minus in differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, minus minus plus, and cosec square x. It implies dt by dx equal to minus cosec x cot x plus cosec square x. Now take cosec x is common, inside the bracket minus cot x plus cosec x. Therefore, in numerator you can observe here cosec x in bracket cosec x minus cot x, and same result also we are getting here cosec x into cosec x minus cot x into dx as dt. In place of numerator into dx we can write as dt, and in denominator in place of cosec x minus cot x as t. We will get result I equal to 1 upon t dt. Again integration of 1 upon t is log t, therefore log t plus c, and put the value of t here, the log cosec x minus cot x plus c. Therefore integration of cosec x we can write as log cosec x minus cot x plus c of log. Now next integration of sec x. Integration of sec x, again same process, multiply numerator by sec x plus tan x and divide by sec x plus tan x, and now let denominator means t equal to sec x plus tan x. Therefore dt by dx equal to differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x, and differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Therefore dt equal to we can write as sec x common tan x plus sec x into dx. The numerator is same as written here, sec x into sec x plus tan x into dx write as dt, and in denominator in place of sec x plus tan x write as t. Now result you will get as 1 upon t dt, which is equal to log t plus c, and integration then we can write as log, and in place of t write down as sec x plus tan x equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c. Therefore integration of sec x we can write as log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Now some other questions based on substitution. If question you are getting like fx whole power n, a function whose whole power is given as n, into differentiation of fx is written here dx, then we can integrate this type of questions by assumption of fx as t. For example, here written cos power 5x into sin 2x dx. Here cos x whole power 5 written, but differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and here written sin 2x. First to apply the formula. Sin 2x we can write as 2 sin x cos x. Then next step 2 outside, and cos power 5x into cos x we can write as cos power 6x into sin x dx. Now here let cos x as t equal to cos x, then differentiate it, dt by dx equal to minus sin x, because differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, or minus dt equal to sin x dx. Therefore I equal to 2, in place of cos x write down as t power 6, and sin x dx is minus dt write down as minus dt, minus outside the minus 2 t power 6 dt. Now integration of t power 6 using formula, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here t power 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 means t power 7 upon 7, which is equal to minus 2, and value of t is cos x, cos power 7x upon 7 plus c. In this process we can integrate the question if question is in the type of fx whole power n into f dash x dx. Hence result you are getting a integration of cos power 5x sin 2x dx equal to minus 2 cos power 7x upon 7 plus c. Now next type questions. If question is given in the form of f dash x upon fx into dx means numerator is the differentiation of denominator, then we have to solve the questions. For example, I equal to integration of tan x upon log sec x dx. Here if we let denominator as t equal to log sec x, then dt by dx. Differentiation of log is 1 upon sec x, because differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So therefore, differentiation of log sec x is 1 upon sec x. Into, by chain rule, differentiation of sec x we have to write as sec x into tan x. Sec x cancel out, remaining part is tan x. Therefore, dt equal to tan x dx. Means here you can observe numerator is the differentiation of denominator. Therefore, in place of tan x dx, write down as dt, and denominator log sec x write as t. The result you will get 1 upon t dt, and integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c, and put the value of t as log sec x. Result you will get log sec x plus c. Therefore, integration of tan x upon log sec x dx equal to log sec x plus c. The second type question, when numerator is differentiation of denominator, then you have to put difference denominator as t, and after that you can solve it. Now next, type 3, if ax plus b power n given, inside the bracket a linear function is given, then we can solve these questions. One example is here, I equal to 8x plus 13 upon under root 4x plus 7. Numerator we can write as 8x plus 14 minus 1. In place of 13 write as 14 minus 1. Then write separately. You can observe here integration of 8x plus 14 upon under root 4x plus 7 dx minus integration of 1 upon under root 4x plus 7. In numerator take 2 common. Integration of 4x plus 7 upon under root 4x plus 7 dx minus 1 upon under root 4x plus 7. Next step, 2 times 4x plus 7 upon root 4x plus 7 we can write as root 4x plus 7, because 4x plus 7 power 1 minus 1 upon 2 means 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon under root 4x plus 7 we can write as 4x plus 7 power minus 1 upon 2. Hence, given question we can write in the form of 2 times of integration of 4x plus 7 power 1 upon 2 dx minus 4x plus 7 power minus 1 upon 2 dx. Now you can observe question becomes in the form of ax plus b power n. Inside the bracket linear function is given, and power n is given as 1 by 2 in first term and minus 1 by 2 in second term. In these questions you have to assume 4x plus 7 as t. Then if we let 4x plus 7 as t, then dt by dx equal to 4 differentiation of x is 1 plus 0 means 4, or dt equal to 4 dx, or dx we can write as 1 upon 4 into dt. Therefore, question you will get 2 times 4x plus 7 means t, the t power 1 by 2 into, in place of dx 1 upon 4 dt, minus integration of t power minus 1 by 2, 1 upon 4 dt is the value of dx, equal to 2 into 1 upon 4 outside means 1 upon 2, and integration of t power 1 by 2 using formula, integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here t power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 outside, and here apply formula t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then next step we will get 1 upon 2 t power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 4 t power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, because minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2, plus constant c. So 1 upon 2, 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 in denominator, which we can write as 2 upon 1 in numerator, into t power 1 by 2. So 2 cancel out, Here remaining part is 1 upon 3. In place of t write down 4x plus 7. 1 upon 3 4x plus 7 power 3 by 2 minus 2 2 ja 4 1 upon 2 4x plus 7 power 1 by 2 plus constant c. In this pattern you can solve the question based on ax plus b power n. Now next question based on some trigonometric identities, especially this 8 trigonometric identities you should remember. Sin c plus sin d we can write as 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. If sin c minus sin d given, it is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d we can write as minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, 2 sin a sin b written, we can write as sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b we can write as sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And 2 sin a sin b equal to sin a minus b minus sin a plus b. And other identities also you have to remember, like sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Then cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a or cos square a minus sin square a. Same for you should prepare identities for sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a. Now using identity, we have to solve questions which are based on substitution. For example, integration of sin 4x into cos 6x dx. The direct integration is not possible here, it is difficult to solve. But if you multiply and divide by 2, 1 upon 2, 2 sin 4x cos 6x dx, and apply formula 2 sin a cos a. If formula remember, then 2 sin a cos a we can write as sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So sin a plus b means sin 10x, plus sin a minus b means sin 4x minus 6x means sin minus 2x. Now sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Therefore 1 upon 2 integration of sin 10x minus sin 2x dx. Write separately. We will get 1 upon 2 sin 10x dx minus 1 upon 2 sin 2x. Now integration of sin 10x. Integration of sin 10x we can write as 1 upon 2. Integration of sin is minus cos x. So minus cos 10x upon differentiation of 10x. If differentiation is constant, upon 10 minus 1 upon 2. Integration of sin is minus cos 2x upon differentiation of 2x means 2 plus constant c. Our second option, at this step also you can assume 10x as t, then dt by dx equal to 10 or dx equal to 1 upon 10 dt, and after that you can solve. And which is equal to minus cos 10x upon 20 plus cos 2x upon 4 plus c. In this pattern, you can solve question based on trigonometric identities. Now solve questions. Question number 1. Evaluate sin cube x dx. Means we have to integrate sin cube x. I equal to integration of sin cube x dx. Sin cube x we can write as sin square x into sin x dx. In place of sin square x, write as 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Now let cos x as t. If we assume cos x as t, then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore minus dt equal to sin x dx. Therefore in place of sin x dx, write down as dt, and in place of cos x as t. result you will get I equal to integration of 1 minus t square dt, or integration of 1 dt minus integration of t square dt. Integration of 1 is t and integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus c. Using formula, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 upon n power n plus 1, which is equal to, in place of t write as cos x minus cos cube x upon 3 plus c. In this pattern you can solve question like sin cube x, or in this place if written sin power 5x, sin power 5x also we can write as sin power 4x into sin x, and sin power 4x write as sin square x whole square, and then 1 minus cos square x. Now question number 2. Evaluate 1 upon e power x plus e power minus x dx. Now arrange the question in substitution form. For that purpose, multiply numerator and denominator by e power x. The numerator e power x into 1 means e power x, and denominator multiply by e power x. E power x into e power x, e power 2x, plus e power x into e power minus x means e power 0, which is equal to 1. Now let e power x as t. Then dt by dx equal to e power x, because differentiation of e power x is e power x. Therefore dt equal to e power x dx. Therefore in place of e power x dx write down as dt, and in denominator e power 2x we can write as e power x whole square, and e power x whole square means t square, t square plus 1. Integration of 1 upon t square plus 1, direct formula, that is tan inverse t. So tan inverse t plus c. In place of t write down e power x, you will get final result as tan inverse e power x plus c. Therefore integration of 1 upon e power x plus e power minus x dx equal to tan inverse e power x plus c. Now some questions for practice. First question, integrate cos power 5x dx. Cos power 5x also we can write as cos power 4x into cos x, and then cos power 4x you write as sin square x whole square, cos square x whole square, and after that try to solve using formula cos square x as 1 minus sin square x, and let sin x as t. Question number 2, numerator is the differentiation of denominator, then directly you can differentiate it. In question number 3, 1 plus sin 2x. Sin 2x write as 2 sin x cos x, and in place of 1 sin square x plus cos square x, it becomes sin x plus cos x whole square in under root. After that solution becomes very easy.